Hi everybody, Janet in the studio again, here with some new card making techniques to show you. It's been a while since I've made a video, so I thought I'd show you the Wonderful Waterfall cards from Hunkydory. They come in a pack like this, and it has everything that you need to make 24 different waterfalls. This is the For Her pack, but I started with the For Him collection here. This is what the sheets look like. Here you have your different focal pieces, and you just punch them out. And then here's the waterfall mechanism itself, and you punch each one of these out. You get 2 each of 4 different pre-printed designs, each with matching waterfall mechanisms. And they're color-coded, so it makes it easy to use, or you can mix and match. There's a lot of different occasions that these would be good for: birthdays, retirement, Father's Day, vacation. And then they also give you 1 set of blank pieces, so you can add your own embellishments to them if you'd like. The pieces just pop out. Of course, they're not popping out because I'm making a video, but they really do pop out easily. And the waterfall mechanisms themselves pop out just as easily. Once you have them all popped out, then you just match them together. And you take the waterfall mechanism and fold it along the score lines. And you have something that looks like this. This is your anchor piece, and it fits behind the long pull tab like this, so that you can pull it but still adhere it to your card. What I like to do is poke a little hole in the 2 notches right here and put a brad in to hold it together. So I take the 2 tabs and put them together like this, and then just poke a little hole. So I can put a brad in. Now that I have the holes punched, take the long end and put it behind. And then I put the brads in just to hold it together while I finish making the rest of it. Because we're going to move it, I put double-sided tape on each of the little panels. And then you can start the assembly. Start from the bottom. So this is the last panel, and put that right there. And just continue up. till you get to the top. Tighten them all down, and then when you pull it, it works like that. Since these are kind of long focals for the card, I thought I'd try making some of the new in style tall cards. So I took a piece of cardstock. This is 8 by 9¼ and folded it in half. And then I found a piece of coordinating paper to go on top. I punched holes in the paper to allow the focal to sit on there. And I can put the brads in there so that it holds it onto the paper. And then when I put it on the card, you won't see the backs of the brads. Here's a finished card. I put the sentiment up on foam tape, and you just pull down like this. Chalked the edges of the card and added Happy Father's Day on the inside. I hope you liked that episode of Janet in the Studio. You can find those waterfall cards and more on my Etsy site. There's a link below in the description. Have a great day and keep smiling.